What is up, guys? Today we are making this paleo avocado chocolate mousse. So let's get into it. So we're going to start by melting our chocolate, and we're just going to use vegan dark chocolate. And I just melted mine in the microwave because it was a lot easier than doing the stovetop. And then once it's melted, we're going to add all of our ingredients to our blender. So we're going to do our avocado, we're going to add our melted chocolate, some salt, our maple syrup, and then I used tamari for this. Technically, soy isn't paleo, so you can do coconut aminos, but I am still doing soy because I like soy and I cook with it a lot. And then we're going to do our balsamic vinaigrette. Vinegar. I used a balsamic glaze and it was totally fine. And then you're going to do your coconut oil and blend it all together. It will get stuck to the sides, so just make sure you periodically just like scooping down on the sides and then blending it up. But we're going to add all of this. I added it to a mason jar so that I could cover it and then put it in the fridge and chill it for at least 2 hours. When it comes out, it's going to be like a mousse texture and it's going to be super, super thick. So if you need to microwave it a little, you totally can. And then we're just going to add our raspberries, our coconut whipped cream, which you can find at Trader Joe's, and then a piece of mint. I definitely recommend adding these toppings onto it just because it was so rich, and this kind of helps balance it out, but it was so delicious. If you guys like this video, like, rate, subscribe, and bon appetit, y'all.